Hey everyone, welcome to TechBrick YouTube channel. This is Mallikarjun. Today we are going to discuss about the topic break, continue and go to statements in Golang. So let's not waste time. Let's get started. So let's consider a slice for now. So where slice A, what we can do, we can consider some integer items in it. So let's add like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yeah, fine. Now let's simply print the slice A to avoid the error. Okay, we don't need this. Okay, so let's try to print simply. Go run main.go. So yeah, it's printing as expected. So the reason why I have created a slice is whenever we want to like discuss about break, continue or go to, so it's always good to have a slice or array to discuss those concepts. So let's try few examples like for mm, I equal to 0 I, or we can use like a normal for range. So key comma value, nothing but index comma value. Value will be slice item, let's say, is equal to range of slice A. Okay, this is fine, right? So now what we can do here, we can directly simply print. Okay, my bad, not here. Here, fmt dot println of slice item is, if I simply print slice item. Okay, so now what it should give like slice item is 1, slice item is 2, something like that it should give. So it is giving as expected till 8. So because we have added 8 items, so this is fine. Now what we can do here, I can add a one if condition. If slice item is equal to 5, then I want to continue what exactly it does. So it is going to skip the current iteration, nothing but wherever slice item is equal to 5, so then only it will be true and it will going to continue. So nothing but after line number 13 it is not going to execute the line number 15, directly it will jump to a next iteration, nothing but the item 6. So it's not going to execute this statement when slice item is 5. So let's see what exactly it's going to give. So if you see slice item 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth item is does not print it. That is because of this one. So if I simply comment this out, now it should print it. So if you see, it's printing slice item is 5, so it is printing as expected. So this is pretty straightforward, and the same thing is available in Java, Python, and many other different languages as well. So the same concept we can apply here. So now we can think of another scenario. So this continue is fine so far. And now we can simply think of one more. If slice item is equal to, let's say 3 for now. And what we can do here, we can simply break. Break what it does. Break is actually going to break the entire loop whenever this condition is met. So if you think on a scenario, let's consider if we just like let's run it and see. So if you see slice item is 1 and slice item is 2, because as soon as 3 it is actually breaking the for loop. So that's the reason it is not even going to iterate the next items. So for example slice item is 3, right? So now it's not actually going to, as soon as we get the break statement, it's not only going to, I mean, like eliminate this 18th line, it is even stop the for loop itself, and it is directly come to this line number after line number 19, and if there are no print statements, so it is exiting the program. So this is with respect to break, and let's remove this for now. I mean, let me comment it out. And now what we need to understand, now we need to understand the go to statement. So go to, what it does we will see. So if slice item is equal to let's say 7. Now what I will do here, I will add a one go to statement. Go to statement, what it requires, it requires a one label, nothing but to as an identifier. So let's consider that label as let's go for now. So this is nothing but a label. So we need to define this somewhere. So what we can do here, let's go, and like this is the way we actually define. So and what I will do here, I'll simply add welcome back to TechBrick YouTube channel. YouTube channel. Cool. So as soon as the slice item becomes 7, we want to print this. I mean, it should go to this let's go label and it should print this. So let's see how exactly it's gonna work. So go run main.go. Cool. So if you observe, it has printed slice item 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 it is skipping because of continue. So if I comment this out, then 5 will also it will print, and then 6 also it's printed. And as soon as 7th item comes, so it is actually executed go to, and then it's not executing these lines even in the current iteration as well as in the further iterations, and it's directly coming here and it's directly printing and exiting the program. So yeah, welcome back to TechBrick YouTube channel. So that is what it is printing, and it's not even printing the further slice items. Probably those slice items are maybe 8, because 7 during 7th iteration it has 8 days. So 8 it's not actually printing. So it's directly exiting the program as soon as it prints this 25th line. So this is with respect to continue, break, and go to. Now we will also understand with respect to for loop as well, which we have already discussed before. Let's try to understand that one more time. So let's say like we have for I equal to 0, I less than, so let's take 10, I plus plus. Okay, so like here we don't have like a pre-increment something like this plus plus I, the complications which we have in Java, C, C plus plus. So here we don't have in Golang, so we need to provide I plus plus. Plus plus I is not allowed, and usually whenever we want to print something, we directly print directly like this, right? So this is one way, and this is like a very traditional way which is available in most of the programming language. So and another way is like this also, we print index comma value is equal to range of something slice, let's say slice a itself for now, and we usually print index comma value. This is also normal, which we have already discussed. And there is one more, I mean the similar using like a for range itself, but index itself and then range, then slice a, and it's not gonna throw any error, even though we are not using value, and even though we are not actually putting underscore as well. So even if you put underscore, it should work. Even if you don't put, it should work instead of throwing any error. So cool, this is fine, right? So let's comment these two for now, and let's try to see whether it is actually printing index or whether it is printing value. So yeah, it's printing index, because if you see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but slice A is having 1 to 8. So by this we can easily say this is printing an index. So and it's not even going to throw an error, even though we are not actually putting underscore for a value. So it's actually, or even not using a value, so it's not going to throw any error. So by this we understood like how we can make use of for loop, and also how we can make use of break statement, continue, and go to statements in Golang. So if you guys have any doubt, please comment it out. I would love to answer all of your queries. So if you guys like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe, and also hit a bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.